I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? I don't understand. Can you speak slowly?
Would you like some tea?
Excuse me, can you repeat that, please?
Excuse me, can you repeat that, please? Of course. I will say it again. Of course, I will say it again. It again. Sorry, I will speak more slowly. I will speak more slowly. No, thank you, I am okay. No, thank you, I am okay.
Can I help you with something?
Please come in and sit down. Please come in and sit down.
I am fine, thank you. And you?
And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you? I am doing very well today. I am very well today.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning.
How are you today? Thank you so much. That helps a lot.
Thank you so much. You are welcome. Anytime. You are welcome. Anytime. Can I have the bill, please?
Here is your bill. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Mm-hmm.
Have a nice day. No, thank you. That is everything.
That sounds good. Anything else?
I would like to order, please. To order, please.
What would you like to have?
Coffee and a slice of cake, please. Yes, of course. No problem. Yes, of course. Of course. No problem. It costs $5. It costs $5.
Where is the bathroom, please? Where is the bathroom, please?
It is down the hall on the left. It is down the hall on the left.
How much does this cost? Does this cost? It costs $5.
It costs $.
Where is the bathroom, please? Where is the bathroom, please?
This is delicious. Thank you very much.
That is okay. Please sit down.
Can I have a glass of water, please? A glass of water, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I am sorry I am late today. I am sorry I am late today. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What time is it, please? What time is it, please?